Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Montessori Printable Royalties review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we'll talk about this training program called Montessori Printable Royalties. So this is the Montessori Printable Royalties review. We are done with this. Now we are on the sales page. It says, attention low content publisher, learn how one Etsy seller makes $4,320 from a single listing. Your step-by-step guide to Montessori print success. From niche to rich, your Etsy master plan revealed. So quite clearly, this is not for everyone. This is only going to cater a certain micro niche who are willing to make money on Etsy.com. Okay, so if you are already working with Etsy and you are a seller there, or if you are some kind of tech-savvy freelancer or work from home person, then you might want to check out this course, and you may want to try this as a side hustle. So it says the writers on Etsy are getting paid massive royalties per story sale. Unlock the world of Montessori printables mastery on Etsy. Dive into blah blah blah. So I don't know what exactly this is. So here are the number of sales from the same from the sum of the listings on Etsy. Okay, now what is this thing? I can't see, it's very small. But these are some kind of listings which you can create using some AI or some tool, I guess, online, and you can list them on Etsy and you can get some sales if you want to. Okay, so yeah, I'm sleepy actually. Let's get with this. Which secrets we'll discover? So you will learn all of this inside. Okay, and come to the sales page and check everything in your free time. And he's the course creator, I guess was the name, Andreas. And what is the Montessori Printable Royalties course? So it's a comprehensive guide that teaches individuals how to craft and sell top tier Montessori inspired printable materials on Etsy. I have no clue what that means. Who is this course designed for? I told you, if you're some work from home and you are looking for some side hustle, you can give it a shot. Okay, there's no guarantee you will make money with it. It's only for certain micro people, micro category people, as in not everybody can make this work. Okay, for example, if you ask me, will I try this method? No, I will not try this method because I know better methods which makes money for me with the guarantee. So I will do something which will make me money with the guarantee rather than trying a new method. So do I need prior experience? Of course not. They have to sell this to you, so no experience required. How are these printables modeled after bestsellers? I don't know what this question means here. What kind of support I can expect? Good support. How do I get the special pricing? $18. Go and buy this if you want to. Okay, now it's a training program, you know, it's like sharing the information, and you have to pay for it. So if you want this information, how to sell some Montessori printables on Etsy.com and make money, you can buy this course in $18, I believe, and then there are some OTUs right here. Where? Right here. So this is what you will be getting in $18. Then this is upsell 1, 30 editable Canva templates, $27. Upsell 2 is monthly coloring template, only $19.97. So only 2 OTOs, not many. So you can see here one front end and only 2 OTOs. Okay, so go and buy this if you want to. However, this will not make you money only if you go through the course, because it takes a lot. For example, let's give an example. You know how to make YouTube videos. You know, for example, I am making a YouTube video, but making a YouTube video does not guarantee that you will make money with that video. Okay, because when I am making the video, there is a lot of skill and knowledge required in the back end. You know, we have to upload the video, do the YouTube SEO, title, description, tags, blah blah blah, upload the video, and then you have to do something which can bring you a sale in your video. So you have to sell something, leave the links below your video, and then if you don't want to sell, you have to get your YouTube channel monetized. So you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours for your YouTube channel, and then you can make money with your videos when people will be watching your ads. Now what I told you, it's the back end stuff. On the front end, what you get to hear from people, what people will tell you, you can make money on YouTube. That's it. I can tell you can make money on YouTube, but all of the work which I explained like 30 seconds ago is required in the back end. Okay, so just by me telling you, oh, come on YouTube, make money, it doesn't work like that. It does not work like that. Oh yeah, come on YouTube, make money. Yeah, no, never. It's not for everybody, okay? Because a lot of work, skill, knowledge, patience, determination, discipline, dedication, all these good D words are required for somebody to make money from any method, okay? So for example, with this training program, let's say if you buy the training program, you will become some seller, or let's say not gonna happen, because on Etsy there are many people who are already established. You know what established means? Established means they are already selling their stuff since number of years. So whenever somebody will search for some printables, their listing will show up, not yours. So it's like freelancing. When you go to some fiverr.com or this upwork.com or freelancer.com, if you try to become a freelancer today, you will not get any work, because there are established freelancers who are working on that platform since number of years. So every time somebody will search for a service, for example, let's say they want to create a website, so they will search for website development. So all those people who will come in fiverr.com, they will be established sellers who already have reputation, who already have reviews and everything, and who have already made thousands of dollars, okay? The same thing is going to happen with Etsy. Just because you know everything how to do this, it doesn't mean that you will start getting traffic, people will start finding your listings and they will start buying. No, not going to happen. Sorry about breaking your dreams, but reality is reality, and I cannot back off from the reality. I have to tell you, okay? So just because I'm telling you come on YouTube, make money, the hard work does not end in just one word, that come on YouTube and make money. No, it takes a lot. Everything is back end. How do you mentally prepare yourself? How much technical knowledge you have? It's, you achieve everything with the time. So coming back again and winding up this video now, Etsy course, whatever this course is good for people who are maybe either working on Etsy already, or they just want to give it a try without any expectations, okay? Go and buy this if you don't expect much. But if you are serious means you want to make money with the guarantee. Let me repeat this for you. If you're serious and you want to make money with the guarantee, then you can check out these methods below my YouTube video. First method says make money on autopilot, with forex trading. Now this is the method I'm talking about here. You see the graph, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high. We do this on automation by using a software. More details coming shortly. And the second link says make money with Traffic Jarvis. Traffic Jarvis is all about doing what I'm doing on YouTube manually, okay? Because on YouTube, I can make money without even selling anything. For example, when you have seen my YouTube video right now, in this video, I have made my money already, whether you buy something from me or not. For example, when you see these ads in my YouTube videos, I make a little bit money, okay? This is the guarantee. You see how this works? What I do makes money with the guarantee. How much money? Doesn't matter, because you need motivation in the beginning, okay? If you make, let's say, $2 from one YouTube video, it's a good motivation. Let me give you an example. You come on YouTube, make 10 reviews, and you do not get a sale. In 1 month, you make 10 videos, 10 reviews, and nobody buy anything from your videos. So you are on zero. But on the other end, if your YouTube channel is monetized and you made 10 videos, people saw those videos and they saw your ads in those videos, and then those 10 videos made $20-30 for you without you even having to sell anything. Now it's not about how much you made, only $20, $30. It's not about that. What matters is that you worked hard to make those 10 videos and you got paid some money for it. Your work did not get wasted, or your time did not get wasted. You made those $20-30 even when nobody paid you. So what I talk about, that makes money with the guarantee. Nobody else in the world can give you the guarantee. So subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell thingy. And if you want to buy this, go and buy. And if you are here seriously for making money for long term, check out these methods below my YouTube video and watch the video till the end. Now, if your end goal is only to make money online, then come below my video right now, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and if you want to support and contribute, you may click on Super Thanks. Now, click on the first link here. It says make money on autopilot with forex trading. Now, forex trading is quite simple and complicated at the same time, because it's about the knowledge. So you do not need to know exactly what's happening here, but if you take a look at this machine or the graph right now, this is a currency graph. So the concept is that you buy currency at low price and you sell when the price goes up. So buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, okay? Now we will not be doing any of this manually, because we will be using a software and then that software will be doing all this buying and selling automatically on our behalf, and we will be just making profits. Okay, so again, come below and click on the first link here, then come on this page, enter your name, enter your email address, then click on unlock the syndicate, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the main page of the syndicate. There are two videos on the main sales page of the syndicate, option 1 and option 2. Watch those two videos till the end to understand what this method is all about. Okay, I cannot explain everything right now in this video, so you have to go and fill up the form, then watch those two videos till the end, and after that, if you want to get started, then you can contact me or message me on Skype, or if you have any questions, you can again message me on Skype. Okay, do not contact me before watching those two videos till the end, otherwise I will block you. Don't contact me without your without doing your homework. Okay, if you're not serious, get out. So contact me only if you're serious, interested, and you have done your homework, right? So fill up the form and go on the sales page, watch those two videos, and then you can get back to me, because the syndicate will make you 60% profits weekly for doing nothing, because you do not have to go through any training, any modules or anything. I will be managing everything on your behalf. So I will be setting up the virtual machine, I will be setting up the graph, I will be installing the software, I will be giving the settings to the software, everything I will manage on your behalf. And once we start making profits with the system, then you get to keep 60% profits weekly, and I get to keep 40% profits weekly. I'm talking about profits, okay? When the system makes money, then only you get paid, and then only I get paid, right? If you want to know how to get started, fill up the form and watch those videos and then get back to me. Now, second link says make money with Traffic Jarvis. Traffic Jarvis will help you to do exactly what I am doing right now on YouTube. So in case you want to make money on YouTube by doing these reviews, or you want to make money without selling anything, then go and get Traffic Jarvis, because Traffic Jarvis will help you to make money on YouTube without even selling anything. For example, in this YouTube video, when you are watching my video, you have seen some ads as well. These ads make me money whether you buy something from me or not, okay? Because my YouTube channel is monetized, and in order for this to work for you, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours for your YouTube channel. And with the help of Traffic Jarvis, you can get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 2 weeks only, right? So with Traffic Jarvis, you will be able to do exactly what I'm doing right now, make these reviews, affiliate marketing, email marketing, YouTube monetization, everything. But the difference between the first option here and the second option is that in first option, make money on autopilot with Forex Thingy, you have to do nothing and you still make 60% profits. If you want to go and get Traffic Jarvis and work on YouTube, then you have to work manually, okay? Both methods work. I am doing them both personally, and I'm making money using both the methods, because the first system is completely on autopilot. So I have time, and if I have time, I come on YouTube and I make my video. So I can do both. Now, I don't know your situation. You might want to go with the first option, or you might want to go with the second, or you might want to go with the both, just like me, okay? So choose whatever suits your situation, okay? In the end, again, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. As a YouTuber, I can't subscribe to my own channel, right? So check out these links, and in the end, I'll show you how to make money with Traffic Jarvis in detail. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website where it says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is YouTube Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything, okay? So before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending 1 email per day, but you need a lot of numbers, okay? You need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far. And when I am recording this video, you might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission. Okay, so these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers. Okay, and then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes. Okay, now let's talk about YouTube traffic service, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the traffic service video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is gonna make for me. Okay, the same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of traffic service within maximum 30 days. And after that, your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money. Okay, and you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required. Okay, and again, these numbers will change. These numbers will change. These numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future, it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future. Okay. All right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says get kiss tracking, keep it simple stupid. Kiss tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this kiss tracking training. And this kiss tracking will also be available inside traffic service. Okay, and then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say, 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have all the training inside too, but it is good if you have some experience already. And experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product. So that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for rest of your life, then you can go for traffic service YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here is the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you, YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, baba tai tai. That means tada bye bye.